Hi there, welcome to another video and I hope you're doing well at home. So today I'm going to discuss about how do we urinate or the micturition reflex, okay, and that is really like interesting topic or fascinating topic. So let's start the video and this video will be like fun and knowledge, okay, so watch till the end. So before starting this, I have to tell one thing that we have parasympathetic system, okay. Now what parasympathetic system do? So parasympathetic decrease the things that are related to the heart and increase all other things that are the contraction or secretion of the gland, etc. Now we have the sympathetic system. Now sympathetic do what? So they increase the things that are related to the heart and decrease all other thing. And for excretion we have a extra supply that is called the somatic supply, and the nerve is pudendal nerve. So what happen? That is a voluntary, means that is in our control. यानी कि हम जब चाहेंगे तभी कर पाएंगे, हम नहीं चाहेंगे तो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. Okay, now for the anatomy of the bladder, just look at the image that are shown here. Okay, so let me just do that. Okay, so this is the bladder. Okay, now here there is a detrusal muscle. Here it not seen, but that is there in the bladder. Here there is a internal sphincter is there. Sphincter means that is a like valve. Okay, now here external sphincter is also there. Now what I have told previously that we have this parasympathetic system. So here parasympathetic nerve is the pelvic nerve or the fibers that are come from the S2, S3 and S4 of the spinal cord. Now here we have the hypogastric nerve or the sympathetic nerve, okay, and we have a voluntary control somatic, that is the pudendal nerve. So let's discuss how the actually mechanism was happening in our body. So let's discuss the whole mechanism behind this. So what happened? Urine gets filled into the bladder. Now what happened? Pressure increases and also volume increases. Now a bladder has a sensory receptor. So that receptor sends the signal via sensory afferent to the sacral segment of spinal cord, that is the S2, S3 and S4. Pelvic nerves are there. So they do what? For parasympathetic system को बोलेगा कि detrusor को contract करो so that urine can pass out. So detrusor will contract. Now this is the detrusor muscle. Now that is going to be contracted, but here internal sphincter is also not open. They are also contracted. So what happened? That internal sphincter relaxes and then urine will come beyond that internal sphincter. Now we have one extra thing and that is the pudendal nerve, that is in our control and that is voluntary. So जब भी हम चाहेंगे हम कर पाएंगे, okay. So what happen normally, we if we don't want to urinate, what happen? That pudendal nerve contracts that external sphincter so that urine will not come out beyond that external sphincter. Now what happen? If we want to urinate, that pudendal nerve is inhibited and that external sphincter is relaxes and urine will come out. Okay, so that's the whole mechanism behind that. Now we adult have control on our micturition reflex, okay. So we have that much of sense that where to pass the urine and when to pass the urine, because of the some higher centers of brain that are the cerebral cortex, midbrain and pons and thalamus. So what happen? Whenever the urine gets filled into the bladder, sensory receptor send the signal to spinal cord and that spinal cord sends signal to the higher center via that spinal cord and higher center link. So by doing that they control it, okay. Now they also control the rate, okay, faster rate and slower rate. And आपने कभी देखा होगा small children को with playing with that thing, faster rate and slower rate, okay. Now so that spinal cord and higher center link is not developed before the 2 years. So आप जब भी किसी छोटे बच्चे को देखते हो या तो फिर अपनी गोद में लेते हो, they do not have that sense that where to pass the urine and when to pass urine, and फिर whatever happen everyone have experience of it. So that is a today's short video and I hope कि आपको पसंद आया होगा and पसंद आया अच्छा लगा और भी ऐसे वीडियो शेयर तो प्लीज़ हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड हिट द बेल आइकन, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे फ्री में ही सब कुछ दे रहा हूँ, आपको कुछ खर्च नहीं करना है एंड जस्ट एक सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाना है एंड बेल आइकन दबाना है, ओके. सो डू दैट. मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.